Hello guys, in today's video I'll show you how to link your Steam account to your Discord profile step by step. It's actually super quick and easy. Let's begin. First open your Discord client and then look at the bottom left corner. You will see a gear icon next to your username. This will open up your user settings. Click on it. Then over here I want you to click on connections. Then choose Steam from these selected or options over here. So once you click on it, it will open a new browser where you need to log in and enter your Steam credentials. So you just need to sign in, click sign in. Once done, you will see this on your screen, connected your Steam account to Discord. Now go back to your Discord and you will see that you have now successfully linked and connected your Steam account to your Discord profile. And that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.